What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a dividend reinvestment plan on Fidelity. Let's get straight into the video. First up is online setup. So what you want to do is to access your Fidelity account online, and then you have to choose the accounts and trade options and then select account settings. Now you want to select the brokerage accounts or IRA that you want to enroll into the DRIP, and then just choose the dividend reinvestment options and select enroll in DRIP. Now you just got to select how you want to reinvest your dividends, such as automatic reinvesting all dividends or specifying a minimum dividend amount. And once you're done with that, just review the DRIP details and confirm your enrollment. Now for phone setup, what you want to do is call Fidelity's customer service at the number right there on the screen, and then just inform the representative that you wish to enroll in the DRIP. Now you got to share your account information, including the account number and account type, and then just discuss your dividend reinvestment options with the representative. And once you're done, just confirm that you want to enroll in the DRIP. Now for required information that you're going to need for that, you're going to need to provide your Fidelity account number. You're also going to need to specify the type of account, such as a brokerage account or IRA. And for the types of dividend reinvestment plans that you have available, there's the automatic dividend reinvestment, and that's dividends in that plan. Dividends are automatically reinvested in the same stocks or funds. You also have optional dividend reinvestments, and here you can choose to reinvest dividends or receive them in cash. And then there's also a fractional shares dividend reinvestments. Here dividends are reinvested in fractional shares of the same stocks or funds. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a dividend reinvestment plan on Fidelity. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.